Donna J. Jodhan presents Dining with Donna, a weekly podcast where Donna shares a delicious recipe with you, gives you a bonus recipe, and ends off her podcast with time-saving tips for your kitchen. Her recipes are easy to follow, easy to put together, and most yummy and delicious for family and friends. Donna's recipes are favorites for everyone. They are tried and approved, and she guarantees you'll be able to make them your favorite. It's time to cook and bake, and Donna is waiting to show you how.
Oh my goodness, week 4, September 2025, and welcome to my podcast, Dining with Donna, 4th week for September 2025. And I hope that everyone is doing well for this final week of September. We're now into the fall season. Yes, indeed we are. Thank you everyone for continuing to drop by to listen to my podcast and to read my show notes and to request all of my show notes or my main recipes, bonus recipes, tips, and hidden recipe treasures. Okay? Thank you everyone, and keep them coming to me. I enjoy sharing everything with you. If you want anything, write to me at donnajodhan@gmail.com or ask Donna on blindlife@gmail.com. Put in the subject line what you're looking for. So in the subject line you would have something like this: the month, which is September, the week, which is this week, 4th week, the year 2025, or it could be 2024, or it could be 2023. You have the ability to go way back to listen to my podcasts and to request whatever you're looking for. In the body of the email, put what you are requesting, show notes, main recipes, bonus recipes, tips, or hidden recipe treasures. All right. So, are we ready to cook? As cooking is what makes the world go round. Time to crawl into our kitchen and to start relaxing, refreshing, regurgitating, renewing everything. All right, so we are ready. And I think this is a perfect party appetizer for you for this 4th week of September. Remember that party appetizers is the category for this month. Okay, so let's go. Thank you again to everybody, and hello to Michael in Montreal, my little brother, and his wife Heather. All right, for week 3 we covered this appetizer: chicken and Asiago stuffed mushrooms. The bonus recipe was frozen chocolate-covered bananas, and the week 2 bonus was a tuna salad. And for the tips we had how to deal with baggy nylon stockings and how to deal with clinging dresses. And the hidden recipe treasure was chorizo bacon wrapped dates. Okay, you want a copy of any of these, write to me at donnajodhan@gmail.com or ask Donna on blindlife@gmail.com. Okay, week 4, our main recipe, and bearing in mind it is party recipe, that's the category for this month. So the main recipe is Thai chicken wings. The bonus recipe is a smoked turkey pate. And for the tips we have how to stop a run in your pantyhose. Okay. And cucumbers for tired eyes. Okay? Sounds interesting? Okay. time to go to our main recipe. Thai chicken wings. Here we go. First, let's gather our implements together to one side of our kitchen counter. And here are the implements. Okay. Measuring spoons, 1 kitchen knife for cutting, a can opener, and my preference is always the manual can opener, measuring cups, a skillet, a crock pot, 1 spoon for stirring, a slotted spoon, a large mixing bowl, and my favorite, every week I keep telling you, paper towels to help you clean up unexpected spills, to help you, wipe the tops of your boxes, your jars, your bottles, your tins, everything like that. Keep your kitchen clean with paper towels. Now for the ingredients. And as I keep saying every week like a broken record, if you gather your implements and your ingredients before you start your recipe, you're going to avoid a lot of stress, distress, trauma, drama, and you're going to avoid time crunches as well. People ask me how I go about choosing these recipes. I do a lot of research on the internet, and I also get submissions from our members. I like to say that these recipes could be easily turned into family favorites or friend favorites. Guaranteed. And they're easy to make. Okay, here are the ingredients. 1 tablespoon of peanut oil, 5 pounds of chicken wings, and you've got to remove the tips and split them at the joints. Okay, 1/2 cup of unsweetened coconut milk. I love coconut milk. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of Thai green curry paste. Okay, 1 tablespoon of Thai green curry paste, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and 3/4 cup of prepared spicy peanut sauce. Okay, now we're ready to make. And folks, don't worry too much. You can always get a copy of this recipe plus the bonus recipe plus everything else that I cover for this week by writing to me at donnajodhan@gmail.com or askdonnaonblindlife@gmail.com. Okay, write to me with your request. Put in the subject line the month, the week, the year, and in the body of the email, tell me what you're looking for. Show notes, main recipe, bonus recipe, tips, or hidden recipe treasure. All right, coming back to our recipe, the Thai chicken wings. And now we're ready to make, as I've given you the implements and the ingredients. Heat your oil in a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Working in batches now, brown your wings on all sides. Transfer them to crock pot. Stir in your sugar, your coconut milk, and your curry paste, and your fish sauce into your crock pot. Cover. Cook on low for 6 to 7 hours or on high for 3 to 3.5 hours. Remove your wings with a slotted spoon to a large bowl. Stir in your peanut sauce, and this makes 8 servings. Nice and easy. Nice for a party appetizer. Okay? Now let's go to the bonus recipe and hope that technology is not going to give me a hard time. All right. Yep, here we have our bonus recipe. All right, it's starting to give me a bit of trouble. All right. Smoked turkey pate is the bonus recipe. Here we go. It only takes 5 minutes to prepare this turkey pate. Okay, 5 minutes. Here we go. All right, let's see what we got here. Here are the ingredients. Okay. And this yields 6 to 8 servings. Okay. All right. 1 pound of smoked turkey. Then you need 1 cup of mayonnaise. Yeah. Okay. Salt is optional. I'm going nice and slow for you to take notes if you can. Pepper is optional. Okay. I would probably put in some pepper. Okay. 1 jalapeno pepper. Cut it lengthwise and take the seeds out of it. Okay. Yeah. All right. Make sure it's all sliced as well. Okay. All right. Moving on. You have corn chips or Frito chips. Okay. Your preference, corn chips or Frito chips. I would probably choose the corn chips. Okay. All right. This is how you serve it. And this is how you prepare it, first of all. Okay. All right. Step 1. Finely grind your turkey. Finely grind the turkey in a food processor. And transfer to a serving bowl. Okay. Stir in your mayonnaise. Okay. And you season it to taste with your salt and pepper if you're going to use this. You top it with your jalapeno slices and serve this, okay, as a dip with your chips, okay? So you have your pate and you can serve it with your chips, okay? You can use this recipe, to take care of leftover meat. It doesn't have to be turkey. It could be leftover chicken, leftover ham, even leftover sausage. As long as you grind it up in a food processor, it should be okay. Right then, let's move on to the tips of the month. Okay. Let's go to our tips for this week. How do you stop a run in your pantyhose? I'll tell you how. This is what you do. Apply some hairspray or rub with a bar of soap. Okay? Easy, hairspray or a bar of soap. Now for my second tip of the month. Okay? How do you deal with tired eyes? Cucumbers, yeah, cucumbers. Press or place fresh cucumber slices on your eyelids. nice and easy. All right, let's just summarize what we covered for this week, because those are my 2 tips. Okay. So for this week, here's what we covered. Okay. We had Thai chicken wings as the party appetizer. The bonus recipe was a smoked turkey pate. And like I said, you can use chicken, ham, or sausage, or beef, or pork. Just make sure they're all ground up finely in your food processor. It's a great way to use up leftover meat. And for the tips we had, stopping a run in your pantyhose, and the cucumbers for tired eyes. The hidden recipe treasure is, okay, a pumpkin cupcake. Okay, it's a good hidden recipe treasure for this time of the year. That's it for me for this week, folks. Last week of September, week 4 of September. I wish everyone a great rest of the day, a great rest of the week. I want you to stay safe and stay well for the rest of September. Please do not forget to check out our Thursday recipes chosen by our members. 3 to 4 recipes is what we post for you on my Donna Jodhan Facebook page. And check out the monthly winning recipe. You can submit your winning recipe from the choices that we give you every week. Submit it to donnajodhan@gmail.com or to askdonnaonblindlife@gmail.com. Take care, everyone. Stay safe, stay well, and see you in October. Bye for now.
That's it for this week. Donna hopes that you enjoyed her recipes and that you will take a few minutes to try them out. Stay safe and stay well. Send your thoughts and feedback to Donna at AskDonna on blindlife@gmail.com.